Which lubricant is good to use for anal sex or anal sex toys? Today, let's explore this. Time to find out. So when using anal sex toys, or perhaps even doing anal sex, sometimes you want to use a more specific lubricant to help and make sure you feel extra comfortable. Today, I'm going to recommend 3 lubricants which are perfect for anal sex and anal sex toys. So, the number 1 standard lubricant is obviously water-based lubricant. Water-based lubricant is non-sticky, so it feels very comfortable to the touch as well. It's silky soft and smooth as well, and doesn't stain bed sheets as well. With a bottle like this, it's very simple and easy to use. Simply push down and apply as little or as much as you want. Simply close the cap when you're done, and it feels silky soft and smooth on the skin. Or perhaps for those of you who are a little more experienced and looking for something different, why not try an anal lubricant? Now, an anal lubricant is a water-based lubricant, but it's slightly thicker than your standard water-based lubricant. This means it's perfect for anal stimulation, anal sex, or anal sex toys as well. To use, simply open the cap and apply as much or as little as you want. As you can see, the consistency is a lot thicker than your standard lubricant. Just like a water-based lubricant, it feels silky soft and smooth on the skin for a very comfortable experience. Or perhaps you're a complete beginner to this and are looking for something to help you have an even comfortable anal penetration experience. For this, we can recommend to use the Anal Relaxing water-based lubricant. Now, this has a slightly numbing effect as well, and it will leave you feeling very comfortable. This lubricant, slightly thicker and soft and smooth, will ensure a good penetration and a relaxing and comfortable effect as well. If you found this video helpful, like this video, and why not have a look at our other product videos too. If you have a question you'd like us to ask, why not leave a comment below and we'll have a look at your query.